Listen, congratulations on this book, and there's many things that I like about it. And I've written a lot of books, but they're all cookbooks. And I write head notes and stuff, but I've never written about myself. This year, I turned 50, so I'm trying to write a book that's kind of an amalgamation of 50 moments in my life, and, of course, all the recipes that
Sure.
It is so difficult to write, for me, about me. It makes me so uncomfortable.
I agree.
How did you get to be so brave? Like, what was your light switch moment that made this possible for you?
I don't think I had just one. I think there were sort of several. And I think that playing Kate Pearson on the show had made me so much more vulnerable and so open. And then it's also the people who watch the show who share their incredible, amazing, tragic stories with me randomly wherever I meet them. And I thought about it, and I had to really sort of remind myself that I went through a lot of tragedies and triumph. And
there's so many lessons. That's what I love about it.
Yeah.
It's a memoir, but it's about the connective tissue between everybody. At the end of each episode, there's a kind of a bit called Be Mindful with the little symbol of the bee.
Right.
I love that. Speak to that.
Yeah, so bees are my spirit animal, and people think that's a little kooky, but they sort of followed me around right before I watched This Is Us, and I went and Googled it, and it was about and they were my dreams, and it was about finding like the honey and the gold of your life. And I was like, oh, great. So I think also, so it's a play on words, of course, of the spirit animal, and then be mindful of that every story.
Mindful of your lessons.
Right, be mindful of your lessons, and every story and every experience shaped me to be the person I am today, and like, how can I pay that forward and hopefully help other people and inspire them in ways I've been inspired, so.
It's a beautiful. Thank you. So on This Is Us, obviously, you got to walk down the aisle. I have walked down the aisle twice. I wasn't 100% convinced about either wedding dress. Did you like your fake wedding dress?
You know, I did, and it was beautifully done by Marcia Moore and Hala, who is our costume designer, and they worked just tirelessly on this dress, and it was beaded and heavy and couture, and it was, of course, made for me.
And was it super hot outside?
You know what?
Beads, man, those
was freezing. It was about 30 degrees.
Perfect, though.
Yeah,
because that keeps you glowy, and the girls up, and the whole thing.
Right, my legs were covered. Yeah, no, conveniently it was cool because I tend to run a little warm. But yeah, I do. I loved it, and I thought it was really beautiful, and they did a great job.